Scatpack versus 5-0. Take 2. I think he wants the left lane. It's all good, man. He's out here to have fun. I'm nervous, man. I'm nervous, but you know what? Oh, we got him! Oh, shit! Alright, you know what? I'm gonna tell him if he wants a rematch. And I'm gonna give him the hit, so I'm not gonna take off until he takes off. Maybe that way it could be a little more fair. Cause I think I just keep getting him off of the tree. But I wanna see what the car can do like when we both leave, you know?
Oh, that's what he said. I don't know.
Yeah, thank you. I ran a 12.8. It's starting to get a little hot. It's starting to get a little hot, but it's all good, man. It's all good.
No, let's do it again. They started too fast.
All right, yeah. You want me to follow you? Dude, I've been biting my side of my cheek with this fucking helmet. That's what I'm talking about, you know. It's aging up pretty fast, man. Alright, we took off at the same time. It's neck on neck. Oh boy! I kind of waited a little bit. Oh! That was a really good run, man. That was a really, really good run. I fuck with it, dude. Hell yeah, man. I mean, granted, I waited a little bit longer to take off. That's exactly what I wanted, man. I wanted to take off at the same time. That was perfect, man. I'm pretty sure I ran a slower time, but you know what? I like the closer races more than the time. Thanks, man. I still ran a 12.7. It's all good, man. It's all good. It's all love, you know. We all chose V8s over Priuses at the end of the day. Hey, that was a good race, man.
That was a good race. I don't know. Their timer has to be fucked up, dude.
Why?
Huh? You got a 12.7? I don't know.
Oh, it's because it times it from the time you leave the starting line. So, like, if I leave a second before you, but I take off, like, from the little staging lane, the timer counts right there as soon as I take off. So it's not like when as soon as the light turns green, it doesn't start. It starts as soon as you take off.
That was a good race, man.
Hell yeah, dude. That thing was hella close. I could tell the top end you're creeping on me.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it one more time. You wanna race?
Yeah, bro. I'll follow you. Man, that thing looks beautiful, man. Let's just knock some of this dust off.
This is 95% off. 95% off the designer upgrade for him. 25% off. 25% off the designer upgrade for him. 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 25% off the designer upgrade
After this, I'll let the car cool off again for a bit. Alright, this time I just gotta take off full throttle, man. I'm gonna try to get a good reaction time. Oh, I shifted early. Fuck it, bro. Fuck it. Oh shit, we're close, man. Ooh. Solid runs, man, solid. Oh, that's someone's time slip just flying around. That ain't one of my time slips, though. Thank you. He got a 12.8, I got a 12.7. Hey, that's pretty fast, man. Dude, your car is fast, dude. 90 in the 8th mile?
Huh?
Your car did 90 in the 8th mile. That's pretty fast, dude.
You wanna run it again?
Yeah, fuck it, why not?
The reaction time is what's killing me, dog.
I know the last race I tried to hold off a little because I want a close run.
No, I want to do a fucking... I want to work on my reaction time.
Hey, take off on the third yellow. Like, as soon as you see yellow, like the third yellow, start take off, bro. I got a little too excited. Hopefully, I'm not gonna lie, if he wins this time, dude, I'm not even gonna be mad, man. Like I said, it's all about having fun. Alright, we took off at the same time. Don't fuck up, don't fuck up, don't fuck up. I can't fuck up. Oh shit. Damn, dude. That's the thing with these cars. I can't fuck up. Like, if I miss a gear, or not miss a gear, but a red line, it's over, man. It's over. I'm gonna go around over here today, right now. Thanks, man. You got a 12.8. His times are getting better though. 12.8. I got 12.739. His mile per hour is higher, man. So the race keeps going, he's gonna catch me top end. Because I know the Scats, they top out like 180. Hey, your reaction time is good, dude.
Well, not as good as you. You got 0.175.
Take off on the third yellow, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna go again. You wanna go again or no?
Fuck it, bro. See, it actually reads slower, man. It says I do a 13.1. It's freaking hot in here though.